Hello guys, welcome to another Vlogmas video. Today's video is going to be a clean with me video. I just took a shower, so I'm feeling nice and fresh, and I need to finish up a video that is due tomorrow, but I also need to clean the house. So those are my two things on my to-do list. So I'm gonna reset my place for the week, and also Alex comes home tomorrow after being on a 12-day trip through Uzbekistan. So I want to make the house feel nice and fresh and clean when he comes home. So I'm gonna do the laundry, I'm going to clean the sheets on the bed, I'm going to refresh the refrigerator, just throw away anything that needs to be thrown away, and fill it with some more new good stuff, and just make the house feel nice and cozy and clean and organized. So let's get to cleaning. I'm wearing my cleaning look.
For my reset routine, I like to start with laundry first because you can grab all of your laundry, throw it in the washer, and have it going on while you're completing other tasks. While I have my first load of laundry going, I need to do some voiceover for a video that needs to be turned in tomorrow. It's Sunday, so working is never the ideal situation for me. I always try to take Sundays off, but sometimes life doesn't go the way you want it to. Girl boss problems. So instead of freaking out tomorrow that it's not complete, I'm gonna get it done today in between my cleaning sesh because it'll feel good to start off the new week with my tasks accomplished. Whether you are hosting a party or cooking a side dish for Thanksgiving, ask for help when you need it. Are you prepping your home? Let somebody help you. I'm going to start my vacuum so that I can get everything off the floor so that I can start mopping in a little bit. This little thing that we got, or Alex got before I even lived here, is amazing because you don't need to really vacuum. It does it on its own, and it like can move around and it'll get all that stuff on the rug, and it's so good. And then I'll go in and mop afterwards. Bye, little guy. Look at him go, look at him go, look at him go. And he goes up on all the rugs. He's incredible. We call him Charlie. Good job, Charlie. It's weird, I know. And that is exactly why we need a dog. Another task that is crucial for me to finish before the day is done and I start a new day is to make sure that all of the dishes are out of the sink and in the dishwasher. On a Sunday night, usually my dishwasher is completely full, so I will normally run a cycle that way, and then I will go in and dry off anything that I am not going to be putting in the dishwasher. This way, when Monday morning comes around, I can open up the dishwasher and have all of my clean coffee cups and anything that I might be using, and I can start off my Monday with putting away freshly cleaned dishes. This is a DIY homemade house cleaner that is non-toxic that I like using to clean the kitchen. I used water, white vinegar, and a peppermint essential oil for scent. And yeah, I just use this to clean up the kitchen counters. it is officially Monday night now. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I always get super inspired when I watch videos like that, so I hope it inspired you guys in any way. Alex is home now. He got in this morning. I told you guys yesterday that I was restocking the fridge, and I got some ingredients specifically to make a Thai shrimp coconut soup. So I am currently cutting all of the veggies, and I'm gonna make some dinner and then just chill out tonight. That's part of my reset routine, is making sure that I have any ingredients that I need for any type of recipes that I want to do for the week, like for dinner or whatever it might be. So thought I would throw that one in here for you guys. I usually find all of my recipes on Pinterest. I'll just search for whatever I'm in the mood to cook that week. So far I've chopped up the bell pepper, the onion, there's cilantro here that I need to chop up, and the recipe I'm following did not say anything about mushrooms, but I got them anyways because you gotta add them in. I'm also doing a riced cauliflower instead of actual rice because this is just gonna be a lot healthier. I'm currently grating some ginger. I'm almost done with this little knob of it. I don't think I've ever cooked with ginger before. This is quite fun. I really like ginger. And now it is time to relax, unplug, wash my face, brush my teeth, and then go to bed. Alex is so incredibly tired. I don't know if I've ever seen him this tired, which, I mean, it makes sense. He just got home this morning from Uzbekistan, and it was like a 2-day trip to get home. So he is going to be going to sleep like right now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I added kind of 2 days of Vlogmas into one, and I'm kind of looking at Vlogmas as whenever I can get the videos up, I can get them up. So I hope that you guys are enjoying them so far, and I like to give you guys like a little something else with them. I know that you guys seem to like my content that's filled with a little bit more, and some type of inspiration is what you guys are looking for, and I love that too. So I'm really trying to incorporate that whenever like a natural moment hits and it can inspire you in any way. That's when I try to capture it for Vlogmas, because it's just what you guys like to see, and I can tell just by, you know, what you guys respond to from what I create. So that's just a little tiny baby ramble there at the end of this vlog, but I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I'm gonna go wash my face now. I'll see you guys very soon in a new video. Good night. Oh, by the way, I just put this on my head to wash my face. The dinner was amazing. Cauliflower rice, highly recommend, by the way. It tastes so much like rice, the texture, everything about it, and it's just so much better for you. So cauliflower rice, a win. Also that recipe, just any recipe that you find on Pinterest that is a coconut Thai soup, so good, and you can do it in so many different ways. Like, you don't have to do shrimp to make it vegetarian, and it's vegetable stock, and it's just super healthy and delicious. Okay, now I'm gonna put my camera out here and I'm not gonna touch it again, and I'm really gonna go to sleep. Christmas. Okay, bye.